Hey guys, GXBOB here. I just received a special package in the mail today, and I'm going to include this in one of my other installation and removal videos for the EGR valve. I kind of want to introduce to you guys my radiator buddy. It's actually from a company called Thorstone. It's a no-spill radiator coolant filling funnel kit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I just want to show you guys this pretty cool idea. It helps you bleed the coolant inside your radiator without having to push onto that top hose and watch air bubbles fly out of your radiator cap, and that just creates a really big messy job, right? So this radiator buddy, wow, look at all the parts it comes with. Because with all these parts, and I'm probably only going to need 2 parts out of all this for the Lexus. But the radiator buddy, its whole point is to create a really clean flush and fill, right? Without using that little tiny funnel. Once you use the little tiny funnel, you got to remove it because you got to see the level of your coolant inside the top of your radiator. You got to make sure all the air bubbles come. You got to keep looking down in there to make sure the coolant's topped off. But with this, it's going to save you a lot of trouble. I'm going to go ahead and take it to the car tomorrow morning and work on it. All right? All right. This is the adapter for Lexus right here. It's letter C. All I have to do is, it has a rubber seal right here. All I have to do is just plug it in there. And it has a locking cap right here. You go over, you lock it into place, and you take the radiator buddy and you put it on top, just like this. Now, I can go ahead and fill this up all the way to the top. I don't even have to worry about filling it all the way to the top of the radiator. I can fill it all the way up to here if I want to, because we also have another attachment that plugs the hole right there, so I can take off the whole thing and just pour it back inside my bottle. Okay, I'm going to show you that right now. Let's go ahead and pour it all the way in. I'm just going to keep pouring it until it overflows all the way up here. I'm in the middle of doing a radiator flush right now. Just keep pouring. See how I don't have to worry about spillage? I call this my radiator buddy. It's great. I'm just going to go ahead and pour the whole gallon in here and then probably go for a smoke break. That's how great this is. Radiator buddy. There it goes. See that? Look at it go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. The great thing about this is I can go ahead and start the car, turn on the heater, start the car, let it warm up, you know, let the thermostat open, let it go through my heater core and all that without having to close my cap. I can just leave it open. That's how great this radiator buddy is. Look at all the bubbles. I don't have to do anything. So after I'm done with my coolant and I'm done with it, radiator buddy comes with a little plunger right here. I stick down here, plunge it up, and I can take the whole entire thing. I can lift it out of the radiator right there without any spillage. I could take the leftovers, put it back in my coolant bottle, and release the plunger. Everything goes back inside my bottle so I can use it on my next radiator flush. Look at that. Beautiful. I love you, radiator buddy. Woo! Now that that's done, we take this piece right here. We go ahead and dislodge it, unlock it, take it out, put back our radiator cap, lock it into place, and we're good to go. Thank you, radiator buddy. The good thing about Radiator Buddy is it comes with all these different attachments for European cars, domestic cars, imports. I use this for my Lexus and Toyotas all the time. And the good thing about this, the best thing about this is, check this out. You take the plunger, you plunge it in there, you put all the adapters in here. And after you're done, you put the cap back on and it stores away on your shelf. Just like that. Thank you, Radiator Buddy.